Hello student, good morning. I am Sam Kishore Patel, your course instructor. Today I will study how we give naming of the fungus. Today we will study nomenclature of the fungus. Before studying nomenclature of the fungus, firstly I will give some definitions. First one is taxonomy. What is a taxonomy? Taxonomy is a science of classification. It is concerned with the principle of classification. Then second definition is classification. What is a classification? Classification is a grouping of organism into classes, order, suborder, families, genera, etc. Then what is a nomenclature? Art of naming a living organism is known as nomenclature. So next, importance of taxonomy and nomenclature. So why we need study taxonomy? So first one is for the study of fungi. Second, there is a, as you know that in different region, in different fungus we locally different name. So scientists have decided to give a word wise naming. So in taxonomy they accept one name, those occur in a worldwide. So in taxonomy we adopt binomial system of nomenclature. So binomial system of nomenclature first given by one scientist, Carolus Linnaeus. Carolus Linnaeus was also called as father of taxonomy. Later there is a two student of Carolus Linnaeus. First one is C.H. Persoon and second one is E.M. Price. These two students of Linnaeus they firstly give naming of the fungus. So in E.M. Price written one book that is Systema Mycologicum. They also given different name of the different fungus. Then next one is rules of nomenclature. There is a different rules of nomenclature. So one worldwide association, that is International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, they adopt a binomial system of nomenclature. In binomial system of nomenclature there is a two part. First part is a genera and second part is a species. So first part is genera is the word of genera is a noun, and when we retain then first letter of the genera should be write in a capital, and second name of the binomial system of nomenclature is species. So species is a adjective and describing the noun which denote the species. In species first letter should be in a small letter. There is a given one example, that is Puccinia graminis. Then Puccinia is a genus and first letter of the Puccinia is capital. So binomial are usually derived from either Greek word or Latin word. Binomial, when we written in by hand, then we should underline it, and when we print, then it should be an italic. There is example given in Puccinia graminis. There is a, when handwritten there is a underline, and when we go for printing there is a italic form. Then citation of author name. The full name of application name of the scientist who describe fungus first follow the species name. Here example given, Puccinia graminis, Persoon or Pers. When another scientist who corrected the name of the previous one, so we written as a example given, Phytophthora infestans Mont Dewey. So first scientist is Mont, they given earlier name, and then improved name given by Dewey. So we write this like this. Then what is a taxa? Taxa is a taxa used in classification. There is a different type of taxa which are used in classification. That is a kingdom, division, class, order, family, genus, species. And each category may be subdivided into subgroup, like division divided into subdivision, order class are divided into subclass, order divided into suborder. Then species is the unit of classification or basic taxonomic category. So species sometimes broken into variety or farming species, and variety divided into races, and races into biotypes. Then earlier we told there is a different type of taxa, which are taxa or group which are used in classification. Where we written first one is kingdom, second division, division are divided into subdivision, then class are divided into subclass, then order further divided into suborder, then family, genera, and last species. There is a standard ending of the each taxa in fungus. Division individuum mycota, and subdivision individuum mycotina, class individuum mycetes, subclass individuum mycetidae, order individuals, family individuaceae. There is no special ending in the genus and the species. Here we given one example, you understand better. Example is Puccinia graminis triticale race 1. Then what is the kingdom of these fungus? Kingdom is a fungi, division is a Eumycota, subdivision is a Basidiomycotina, and class is a Teleomycetes, order is a Vedinales, family is a Pucciniaceae, genus is a Puccinia, and species is a graminis, and variety is a Triticale, and the race is 1. If you have any doubt, then contact me on my number, or you drop a message in an email ID. Thank you.